Wherever you are on your career journey, a Perkins Apprenticeship could be the right next step for you.
Since 1997, Perkins has been owned by Caterpillar, the world's leading manufacturer of construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, industrial gas turbines, and diesel-electric locomotives.
Securing an apprenticeship at our Peterborough or Stafford facilities means you're instantly part of a winning team.
A team that gives you the support you need to succeed and make a difference to the livelihoods we power all around the world.
If you're a school leaver looking for an alternative to full-time college or university,
or if you're in work but are looking for an opportunity to build on your capabilities,
we'd love to hear from you.
We offer apprenticeships in engineering,
Human resources,
manufacturing,
marketing,
sales,
supply chain,
and so much more.
Throughout the scheme, our apprentices gain valuable hands-on experience in real work environments,
earn a competitive salary and benefits package, and finish their apprenticeship with a nationally recognised qualification.
Wherever your journey takes you,
it's your time and your talent.
So make sure all of it counts.
To learn more, visit www.perkins.com/apprenticeships.